Another chapter, study note number 8, financial accounting. Chapter royalties. Financial accounting. Royalties. In this royalties, the main theory is about lessor and lessee. In this royalties, we should know about lessor and lessee. In this, lessor, lessee. Okay, now what is mean by lessor and what is mean by lessee? Lessor, lessee. In this, for example, we have published a book, we have written a book and we need to publish it in the market. Then what we should do? We should publish our book through another source by publishers like any other publishers in the market who prints the book and publish the book. By that, the book we have written, we have the right to print, but the publishers does not have a right on our book. So we should give a right to the publishers to print a book and to publish the book. In this scenario, the publisher should give the money which have been gained by selling the books which are written by us and authorized by us. By that, per book, example, if one book is written by us, one book is written by us, and we have given the book for the publisher to publish it. Okay. Then the publisher we have given the right to the publisher to publish our book into the public. So here we can understand that publisher has a right to publish now. By that case scenario, we should give the money for the sale of our books. Then the lessee is publisher and the lessor is us. We have given the right to lessee to publish our book. Okay, rights has been transferred to print and publish for book print. Okay. By that, publisher will give us sales money. In this case, we should understand that the author, lessor means us, lessor will fix a price per book or per month to give such amount of money. To lessor from lessee. In this, let's take an example. Lessor has given the right to lessee to publish a book per rupees, one book per rupees, 6 rupees if we have got. Then lessor kept a condition that to give money per month 3,000 rupees. Then if the sales has been not made for 1 month, then lessee should give the money to lessor, because it is a condition that have kept by the lessor to the lessee that he should give the money per month of such amount, rupees 3,000. If the sales had been done or not done, the money should be credited to the account of lessor of that month. Okay. In this way, the royalty chapter has been formed. This is a basic and we should understand more about it. Now here the common terms used in connecting with the accounting of royalty. Okay, another point for these cases have been made where the owner of the mine allows another the right to extract minerals from land. Okay, where the right as such patent or copyrights are licensed in favor of another. Where an author, artist or designer gives exclusive rights to another to copy the work. In the case of mines, in the case of patents or copyrights, or in the case of author, artist or designer, books. Okay. As simply as mines means I have wrote the word KGF, and copyright patents means I have wrote the word sales, and designer, author, artist have wrote the books. In these common terms are used. First common term is minimum rent. As I have been said that minimum rent fixed by the lessor to the lessee of a fixed amount which has been given for that month. Rent or dead rent we can also call dead rent. Okay. Example here is given. Suppose royalty per ton of production is 10 rupees and the minimum rent is 4 lakh. Now the actual production is 35,000 tons. The actual royalty would be 3,50,000. In this case, the minimum rent is 4 lakh. Will have to be paid by the lessee. On the other hand, if the actual production is 46,000 tons, then the actual royalty would become 4,60,000. In this case, 4,60,000 will have to be paid by the lessee. Okay, understood. In first case, 36 tons has been 35 tons has been produced and got the money of 3,50,000. But minimum rent is 4 lakh. Need to be given by lessor to lessee. Lessee to lessor. Then for that month, he should give 4 lakhs to lessor. If in another case he had produced 46 tons and he got 4,60,000 and minimum rent is 4 lakh. Here the lessee will transfer the amount of 4,60,000, because in this case, in this month, sales has been done more and the profit has been got to the lessee. So that in that case, this is the word meaning of minimum rent or dead rent. This can also be come into 2 marks problem also. Now the second common term is short working. Short working or redeemable dead rent. What is meant by short working? Short working is the amount by which the minimum rent exceeds the actual royalty in the difference between actual rent and minimum rent. Here, short working means minimum rent exceeds the actual royalty. Minimum rent exceeds the actual royalty. Okay. In this case, the actual royalty is 4,60,000 and minimum rent is 4 lakh. Here, the difference between the actual royalty and minimum rent is known as short working. Here, minimum rent, for example, minimum rent is 4 lakh and actual rent is 3,50,000. He got on actual rent and minimum rent is 4 lakh. Here, 50,000 has loss for lessee. This is known as short working. Another term, excess working. Excess working. What is mean by excess working? Tell me. What is mean by excess working? Short working reverse. In this excess working means, in the above example, the minimum rent is 4 lakh and actually produced 4,60,000. Then we have got extra of 60,000. This is the excess working as of simple short working reverse. The next term is ground rent. What is mean by ground rent or surface rent? Tell me. What is mean by ground rent and what is mean by surface rent? They are equal. It refers the fixed year or off year rent payable by the lessee to the landlord in addition to the minimum rent. In addition to the minimum rent, okay. Minimum rent extra which has gained by the lessee in that year will be known as ground rent or surface rent. Recoupment of short working. What is mean by recoupment of short working? This is the some critical in this royalty, that recoupment. What is mean by recoupment? For example, for better understanding, I am taking this 10,000, 5,000 and 15,000 is the production. Okay. Actual rent we have got on that year month was 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. The minimum rent fixed by the lessor to lessee is, for example, I am taking 1,30,000, same as for that month. Okay, now short working was, short working means loss by the lessee is known as short working. Here the loss has been gained up, yes, for 30,000 loss. Here 80,000 loss. Here no loss. Now excess working. No loss. No loss. Here excess working has been done of 20,000 excess. Now the royalty payable. The royalty payable to the lessor is, in this first case is 1,30,000 we should pay, 1,30,000 we should pay, and in third case is 1,50,000 we should pay. In this case the excess sales has been done and we got the excess money of 1,50,000. In this case the royalty will be payable, but in the above two cases the loss has been paid by the lessor. Okay, to recover that loss he has applied the recoupment of short working. In this case he will transfer only 1,30,000 of minimum rent to the lessor, and the extra 20,000 he will bear for the about 2 months losses. Okay, this is meant by recoupment of short working. Now another sixth one, strike and lockout, etc. In so many companies or in movies we have seen that the company people or the workers of the company will do strike for a period of 1 month or 2 months, and it will extend to as of the much. Okay, in that cases the salary of that month has been given to the workers by the company, will give on the basis of an agreement that at the time of strike the minimum salary will pay to the workers. At the time of strike, that if agreement so provide the minimum rent may be proportionately reduced in the event of strike or lockout, so special entry is required for the same expect the adjustment of minimum rent for that particular year. If the company says as per the agreement he will pay only half of his salary at the time of strike. Okay, example, the strike has been done for 2 months, January, February, March and April. The minimum rent is 40,000 per month. Okay, these are the strike, January, February, 2 months of strike he has been done. At the time he will give only 20,000 and 20,000, and at the time of non-strike he will give 40,000 and 40,000 as per the agreement basis. Okay, now the accounting entries in the books of lessee, publisher where the minimum rent exists will write to a recoupment of short working. Treatment of short working, important points to be noted. And illustration 1, illustration 2, illustration 3, illustration 4, illustration 5. These are the introduction about the royalty. Then okay, bye.